So basically, okay, let me recap what we have done till now. So basically, we have started talking about the SQL. We understood what is the importance of SQL. So SQL is a structured query language. So basically, when we want to manage the databases, we need one language, right? So in that case, we are using SQL. Um, so we have multiple databases are there. RDBMS databases are there. Like we have Oracle database, SQL, MySQL, SQL servers. Irrespective of any database we need one SQL, right? We need one language to manage the databases, and for that we are using SQL. So basically we store our data, like we are using Oracle database only because we are going to start our journey as a Oracle DBA. So we will install Oracle 21c. We can install this Oracle database on SQL also, Linux also. As of now, we are installing it on Windows operating system, Oracle 21c Express Edition. Once we start with the Oracle DBA, then we will install on Linux operating system. So what we have done, we are going to the Oracle official website. So here we are just mentioning that download Oracle 21c Express Edition. You can click on the Oracle official website, and then we started downloading this. Once we click it, it has started downloading. It will go to the download folder. You can move that to any folder wherever you have 30-40 GB space is available. So you got the zip file. Right click, click on extract all, click on O means extract, and it will create a folder like this. Once you click on the folder, you can scroll it down, and then here you can see something called setup, right? Right click and run it as an administrator. Right click and run it as an administrator. Right click and run it as an administrator. And the pop-up will be open. The pop-up will be open, and by using that pop-up, you can start doing the installation of Oracle database 21c Express Edition. Okay. So this setup. Okay, now I'm getting some error message because it is asking me to remove. Why it is asking me to remove? Because this 21c setup is already available in my laptop. That is the reason. In my last batch I have installed it. So if you already have 21c Express Edition, you cannot do the installation again. You need to remove that first. So I got the pop-up, do you want to remove? I said yes, and it has started removing it for me. For you it may not be the problem because maybe it is the first time you are doing the installation. So right click, click on next, do next only, no problem. And in one time it will ask you to enter the password of sys user. So you can enter the password of sys user as, it will ask you to enter the password of sys user. You can enter the password of sys user as Oracle. You can do that. So there will be a time, just click on next, and it will ask you to enter the password of sys user. You can mention Oracle. Let me know once it is done. Okay, let me know if you guys are facing any challenges, because I'm not able to show that because I'm already having this Oracle 21c. I will remove that first and then I will show you. But let me know in your case what is the challenge you are getting. You will get one pop-up also. Do you want to allow some Java, something like that? So you can say yes. Okay, you'll get the security related pop-up also. So you can say next. But you need to perform this operation as an administrator, because normal users do not have permissions to create the Oracle related services. So you like by any chance if you are using your uh, official laptop, like office laptop, then you should have admin level permissions. Okay, let me know if you guys are facing any challenges. I will explain you. And till now, able to understand everyone? Everyone able to understand?
Hi, Ankush.
Yes.
Yeah, hi, this is Sugelia. Uh, Actually, I'm from a non-IT background and I joined a little late in your classes. It's my second lecture, to be honest. So I don't have an idea about what SQL is. I do know it's a language, but I haven't known much deep about it. To introduce myself, I'm a husband of Taranum. I don't know if you know her.
Acha, yeah,
She's
she's
a
my.
part of this class itself.
Okay.
So I got an interest to this language and all those, database admin. I've been seeing doing this work. So I said, okay, let's try how it works.
Okay.
I stay in UAE. So what I want from your end is like, after this class, maybe we can connect for 10-15 minutes. I need to understand certain things, if that could help.
Is it daily?
Sorry, not daily. At least, some concerns maybe needs to be clarified.
Yeah, you can ask in the class also. Again, if you want to discuss with me,
I don't want to disturb the class, to be honest.
no, no problem. See, everyone is paying the money here, and I would like to.
I think I missed around 10 classes, so
No,
definitely.
that is the
I'm going
Linux
through
classes.
those.
Okay, that is the
I'm
Linux
going
class.
through that. I'm going through those.
Now, what I'm trying to make you understand is today is the first class of SQL.
Right, so it's not necessarily only SQL I'm talking about. It can be Linux, it can be anything. I may have some certain doubts because I'm going through all those lectures, the recordings. If in case I have certain, like the basic needs to be clear. If I'm learning something, I need the basics to be clear and then I can learn to the advanced level, right?
It's
So
okay. Yeah, if
that's the only point.
yeah, you can reach out to me. Okay, as per my availability. Yeah.
Sure, you can let me know if in case you are available and then I'll call you accordingly.
Yeah,
If
fine.
it's okay. Yeah, thank you.
Ankush Sir,
Yes.
sir, my laptop is little bit older. It's not a 3 or 8 GB.
Acha.
So
So,
I installed that 11 GB.
see, normally if you have a laptop with 4 GB RAM, the the setup will be little slower. Okay. But if you have 8 GB RAM, it will work. But again, what you guys can do when you are doing the practice of Linux, that time just run this machine only. Okay. And when you don't need this machine, you can just right click and turn off that machine. I'll show you how to stop the services of Oracle also. Like you can go here, search here with the services. Okay, because in the background some Oracle related services will be running, so that also consume the memory of your laptop. Okay, so if you go here, search with the Oracle, like you can see here, I have Oracle database. You will see something like XC right here, this one. You can right click if it is running now. If it is running, right click and there is an option called stop. You can stop that, but if you go to the properties, there is an option called disabled. So what does it means? The startup type will be disabled, means as soon as you start your server, automatically your Oracle will not start. In Windows, Oracle will start automatically. In Windows, Oracle services will be start automatically actually. So you can do that. Okay. So yes, click on the services, log. You can open it as an administrator. So when you want to use it, then only start it. Otherwise stop it. Otherwise stop it because it will be slower then. Okay.
Thank you so much.
I think. Acha, are you guys facing any challenges while doing this installation? What are the options you guys are getting?
Hello,
Yes. I can hear you.
Ankush Sir.
Yes, tell me.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मार्केटमध्ये आता जर का लॅपटॉप परचेस करायचा असेल
Hmm.
तर लॅपटॉपमध्ये कोणता चांगला म्हणजे सिस्टीम कॉन्फिगरेशन नुसार प्रोसेसर वाईज कोर वाईज जनरेशन वाईज कुठल्या कंपनीचा लॅपटॉप परचेस केलं चांगलं राहील एसक्यूएल किंवा लिनक्स इन्स्टॉलेशन करून प्रॅक्टिस करण्यासाठी.
See, generally I don't recommend any because I'll tell you the configurations. Again, it's all completely depending upon the budgets and all. Okay, but my suggestion will be that's a minimal configuration. I'll say okay, minimal. Any laptop with i5 generation, so with minimal 16 GB RAM. Okay, minimal 16 GB RAM. It's a Intel i5. Okay, or corresponding AMD processor also you can take. Then at least take 250 GB of SSD for your C drive. Okay, and then you can have your hard disks also. Hard disks, like you can take maybe 500 plus GB of hard disks. Okay, So that's pretty much enough. Okay, i5 processor. This is a processor actually, minimal processor. So this will go around, I think, maybe 50K. Okay, if you have a good budget, let's say someone is having good budget, maybe you can go with i7 processor also.
पण कुठल्या जनरेशनचा सर?
This is generation only ना, i5 means Intel 5 generation, this is i7 generation. हाँ, i5 के अंदर भी आता है मतलब, but minimal i5 should be there. Okay, generation you can take anything. This is i5 generation, this is i7 generation. Okay, i7 generation laptop will be costly actually. Okay, it will go, I think, maybe 80K above. Okay, my laptop, the one which I'm using right now, this is i7 generation, i7 11 generation. Okay,
95 काय होते?
so this will, I have 32 GB RAM. I have increased the RAM also. I have 32 GB RAM. Nowadays I have seen many laptop which is supporting 64 GB RAM also, especially coming with gaming laptop, Acer or Asus laptop. I am using Acer. My laptop is Acer Predator. I think I purchased it long back, but I spend a lot of money on it because my, like, I increase the RAM, SSD. Almost I have 3 TB of SSD itself. But you don't need this much. Okay, you can go with this minimal configuration if the budget is 50K. But if you can extend, like if you are thinking that okay, or 3-4 साल तक you don't need to worry about that, you can go with i7 also. Okay, generally my preference will be like, you can, I don't like Dell, especially I don't like Dell.
I also don't like that.
Maybe I can go with HP. Nowadays I am fan with this Asus or Acer, because they are mostly focusing on gaming. So when laptops are focusing on gaming means basically their performance will be better. Okay,
Okay sir.
you don't need graphics card, guys. Okay, don't invest your money on graphics card. No need of that graphics card also. Okay, so I think my software has been removed. Now I can just directly install it, run it as administrator. But having a laptop, good laptop is a necessity. If you can afford it, go for it. Okay, that's okay. Now it is asking like where you want to install the Oracle 21C. You can install it in C drive, D drive. I have a space available in C drive, 30 GB you need, so I can use that. If you want to change it, you can click on change, and you can just, instead of C you can mention D. Whatever you want to do, you can use that. Click on next. It is asking the password of sys user. I'll mention Oracle in the small letter and click on install. Now it has started doing the installation of Oracle 21C. So this will run for another 1 hour, and then in the last, open the command prompt after the installation, and if you are able to connect to the SQL plus /sysdb like this, SQL plus /sysdb, if you are able to connect like this and press enter, then you can say that okay, your installation is completed. If you are able to do, now it may not connect now because I do not completed the installation, but if you are able to see the SQL prompt here, means your installation is completed. Once your installation is completed, from tomorrow we can start doing the, you can SQL command, we can start learning about the SQL commands. Okay, so please complete it today only, so that from tomorrow we can focus on SQL command. One more thing, someone was asking about that, can, like, if I don't want to make it power of this, how can I do that? Let me try. You can go here, click on the settings. If you click on the settings, there is an option called power, and there should be screen time. Can you see screen time 5 minutes? Change the screen time 5 minutes to never, so it will not stop anytime. It will not locked up your, or it will not lock your system now. It will be always on. Okay, for this Linux question was there na, why the system is getting locked every time. So you can try this. The installation will go for another 1 hour. Okay. The installation will go for 1 hour. Acha, till now, whatever we discuss, guys, are you able to understand? Everyone? Everyone able to understand? Okay. Okay. So let's complete this SQL today and installation today. Tomorrow, please be ready with the installation, and we will have. Okay. Any question?
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I am Udit here. Sir, I want to ask just one question. Like, there is something PJ admin in for Postgres
Huh.
for GUI. So,
Huh.
is there anything for?
We have SQL developer here.
Okay.
So
So we need to install that or?
no need to do SQL developer. We are going to see in Oracle DBA. Those people who don't know about PG admin, the PG admin will looks like this. This is a GUI tool for your PostgreSQL database, and for Oracle database there is something called SQL developer. So this is looking like this. You can use SQL developer, or there is one more software there, we called it as a Toad, Oracle Toad. Toad is not with me because Toad is a premium software, you need to take the license. SQL developer we are going to see in Oracle DBA, and PG admin we are going to see in Oracle this PostgreSQL class. That's a separate class, not here. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Any question?
Yeah, sir. What was that command?
SQL plus slash sysdba.
SQL.
Just go to the Google, search it. Anyway, I'm going to explain tomorrow, or let me show you here. You can do one thing, SQL plus slash as sysdba, and press enter. Okay. Press enter. All right. Okay, thanks. Let's connect tomorrow. We'll continue this.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in my laptop not working Ubuntu, sir. I have reached out.
What is the problem? Any error message you guys are getting?
I have sent the message for.
In the group, your this September. Can you send it now? I'll just check that.
Okay.
Fine, guys. Yeah. Thanks. Bye. Okay. Let's continue.